number 246 on stage.
Good evening to respected judges, teachers, non-teaching staff members and all my dear friends. On this occasion of Arts Day, I would like to give you a talk on the topic pros and cons of artificial intelligence. So, to begin with, I would say as a threshold of promises which AI has given in reshaping the world is lot more, and it has given a lot of influence in health, medical field and also industries. So starting from the pros, it has enhanced efficiency. It is better in cost. It enhances privacy. It is it's more creative. It has also better problem solving skills. It is more accurate than a human. It also has a lot of memory than a human. So on this journey where AI has not been seen, so hasn't come in the early of this generation. So people in this generation are trained to get things on the fingertips with the pressing of buttons. On the occasion of me telling this, there are people who are using artificial intelligence for their benefits, and also it has got, and we cannot stand back or take a step back in thinking or confronting the challenges that AI has put forward, because it has also got a lot of privacy issues. It has cut down the creativity because people now depend on AI for creative purposes. They don't use their creativity, which decreases people on thinking what they can do. Also, in the medical field and in education, AI has played a lot of pros than cons, because it has more accuracy in diagnosing diseases. It has more accuracy in indulging or injecting things into the minds of people, in the minds of children, as they can see and experience rather than just listen. But coming to the cons, it has got a very bad impact on privacy, because the data has been misused, has been taken back, has been used or sold online, which is really giving a bad impact on people who believe in nurturing or coming into lives with this artificial intelligence. So to conclude, I would say using artificial intelligence, preserving human values and for the betterment of human life could be a better idea. Thank you.